Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some acrylic pouring and we're going to be doing some flip cups. I'm going to be using these pre-mixed ready to pour paints from Michaels by Artist Loft in titanium white, old gold, and bright blue. And I'm also going to be using the Artist Loft brand silicone oil. I'm going to be pouring my old gold and my bright blue and my white into 3 separate cups because I am going to be adding the silicone oil to the gold and the blue, just 3 drops to each of those colors, and I'm going to give them a good stir. And these are acrylic pours that I did previously, way back when I first started acrylic pouring. We're going to be pouring over those today. So my first cup, I'm going to do a little bit of the bright blue. You don't need much paint for these tiles. I'm also going to do titanium white, and I'm actually going to layer both the cups the same way. So I'm going to do bright blue, titanium white, and then old gold. And I thought I was going to have to use some of the metallic white, but I was able to get almost all of the titanium white out of the bottle and have enough to do these pours. So I didn't end up using the metallic white. I just used titanium white, old gold, and bright blue. I'm just taking a little bit of the paint out of these cups and kind of putting it around the base of this cup here on the left. I did poke a little hole in the bottom of these cups with a thumbtack to see if that did anything, and it didn't really do much. So I was like, I thought it would help the paint kind of release from the cup a bit, but it didn't. I just lifted the cup up and now we're going to go in and do some tilting. And when I do this, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just making sure that the top, sides, and corners have good coverage of paint. And same thing on this tile on the right, just lift up the cup, give it a good tilt. These paints are so easy to use. All you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. The combination of these products, the Artist Loft brand pouring paints and the Artist Loft brand silicone oil, is great for cells if you're wanting to get cells in your paintings. I'm going to hit them with a torch and you'll see the fun cells start to develop. I'll bring you in for a close-up. This is right after I torched. You can see those awesome cells on here. I am going to let these sit. The cells do continue to develop as the paintings sit. So we'll check back in about 20 minutes and show you how they're going to look. And here we are 20 minutes later. You can see the cells grew quite a bit, but they both turned out really awesome. They did turn out different from each other, which is kind of cool. But I just love these colors together. The bright blue is awesome. I'm not a huge fan of the metallic white. So if you guys have never tried these paints before, I would go with the titanium white over the metallic white. The metallic white looks super silver when it dries. So, if you're looking for something like that, then definitely you could try the metallic white, but the titanium white will give you a nice bright white. And here's how they dried. They dried perfectly. This is about 24 hours later. They're all nice and dry. Let me know what you guys think of these down in the comments. I just wanted to upload this really quickly to show you guys how to get cells really easy in your paintings. I love using pre-mixed ready to pour paints because they're so easy to use. You just have to shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites right here at the end card screen. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.